In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Go High Level sub-account client. Before we get started, make sure you're logged into your Go High Level agency account with the correct permissions to manage sub-accounts. Deleting a sub-account is a permanent action, so it's a good idea to double check that you've backed up any important data, such as contacts, conversations, or funnel settings before moving forward. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu bar. From that sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Sub-Accounts. This is where Go High Level lists all the client accounts that sit under your main agency account. After clicking that, you should land on the main sub-accounts page. Here, you'll see a table or list of all your existing client sub-accounts. Take a moment to carefully locate the specific client you want to remove. It's important to be absolutely sure you are selecting the correct account, since deleting the wrong one can't be undone. When you've found the right sub-account, move your mouse to the far right side of that row. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, often referred to as the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu of actions related to that specific client. From the drop-down, select the option that says Manage Client. This will take you into the detailed management view for that particular sub-account. Here, you can see more information and settings related to that client. Inside the client management view, look for a button or menu labeled Actions, usually located toward the top right of the page. Click on Actions to reveal another drop-down list of options you can perform on this sub-account. In that Actions list, you'll see an option labeled Delete. Click on Delete to begin the deletion process. At this point, Go High Level will typically show you a confirmation prompt. This is your last chance to make sure you're deleting the intended sub-account. Read the confirmation message carefully, and